So again, a review based on exam results from earlier in the semester, and this is exam number 4, and exam number 4 is the percent chapter. So here I'm trying to convert between percents and decimals, and remember, if I'm going from a percent to a decimal, I either move the decimal to 2 places to the right, to the left, or I divide by 100, which gives this as a 0.21, so I take 21, divide it by 100, and I get 0.21. And as a fraction, again, I would go backwards here, and I get 21 over 100. If I have 21 over 25, and I want to know the decimal, I can take 21 divided by 25. And that gives me 0.84. And as a percent, that's 84%. Okay, the next one I have 0.54 as a percent. That would be 54% because I would be multiplying by 100. And 54 as a fraction is 27 over 50. 20.5% as a decimal. Again, remember to divide by 100. 0.205 is my answer. And that comes out as 41 over 200 as the fraction point. So 0.15 is the same as 15%. And 0.15 as a fraction would be 3 over a 20. So here's a simple percent problem that has simple interest, and simple interest is amount equals P times the rate times the time. And so P in this case would be the amount put in, which I don't know, but I do know A, which is the interest. And the simple interest on this, which is R, is 0.054. And the time frame is 8 months. And again, we can't deal with months. So we're going to do 8 divided by 12 to convert that. So I know that 90 is equal to whatever the principal is, times 0.054 times 8/12, or the fractional equivalent of that. So I can multiply this left side to the right side here and then divide it from both sides, or I can divide each one individually. So I just straighten that out by multiplying those two numbers together. So now I really have P times 0.036 if I divide both sides by 0.036. I would get 2.5 equals P. See, that means $2.50. All right, this is compound interest, and compound interest is going to be equal to principal, 1 plus R divided by M to the NT. So P is the principal, which is $4,500. The rate is 0.05 because, again, I have to convert it from percent sign to a decimal. Let's see, time is 7 years. And I need N, and it says compounded monthly, so that means 12 times a year. So I have 4,500 times 1 plus 0.05 divided by 12. And let's see, our time is 7, and it is going to be monthly, so it's 7 times 12, or 84. Which gives me $6,381.16. All right, this is a basic percent. PB equals A. I don't know what percent is, so I'm going to solve for that. But I do know that I'm starting with 185 and I end at 45. So dividing the two, I get 0.24, which means it's 24%. again, another simple interest problem. So taking a look at this, my principal is going to be $500. My rate is 0.025 because I have to take 2.5% divided by 100. And then my time frame is 14 months, but remember I can't do this in terms of months, I can only do it in terms of year. So if I take 14 divided by 12, that will tell me what the time is. In the meantime, let's look at the amount. There's $5,000, 0.025, and the time t is 14 over 12. And we ended up with 145.83. And the last one is another simple interest. And so the amount is PRT. So taking a look at this, I want to know the simple interest. I am told that it's $2,800 and my rate is 0.035 and the time is 8 out of 12 months, which gives me $65.33.